Hey, it's Jonathan. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. I want to take a look at Cardano. We've had quite a move, and I want to see where we're at and where quite possibly we might go from here. So we just recently had the announcement of the Alonzo Purple, which is the release of the smart contracts for Cardano. And we've had quite a move in the ADA token. We're looking at 116% over the last 25 bars. Viewing it against other pairs, let's say viewing it against Bitcoin, so we're back at almost our all-time highs on the ADA token. We've broken out easily from the upper support, or the upper the old support, but the upper resistance to that higher level, broken out easily from that, which is right about the 139 mark, as opposed to, let's say, Bitcoin. Here we're sitting right at it. I haven't broke through it yet. The support for this upper region, we're sitting right at it. It's acting as a resistance now for the Bitcoin. Now obviously the other tokens follow Bitcoin a considerable amount, but with the news coming out around ADA and the smart contracts, this is an iffy time. I'm definitely going to be more ready to buy than I am to sell anything right at this point. I would suspect normally in this area to see a decent retracement. Whether we see that or not, I don't know. I would expect to see at least a retracement to this 187, right around this 187 area. Will we see that? Our relative strength is in the way overbought territory. I'd like to bring that down. Now this is on our daily chart. If we drill down to the hourly, we've been trading this ascending channel, moving up. We're staying strong. We've almost brought our relative strength all the way back down to the oversold area. If we can bring this relative strength back to the oversold area and stay above this 195 mark, that would be a decent divergence. And I would say that we would have another strong move up from here. I'd like to see it hit this bottom of this line, come back to the bottom of this ascending channel though. Whether it fall off, staying above the 195, or it horizontally retracing out to the bottom of the channel, which would put us a move about the 16th. So let's see, what is today? Today's 15th, so that'd be right around tomorrow. If we can make it to the bottom of that this channel in a horizontal retracement, or falling off while staying above that 95 area, I would be confident enough to put some more coin in on it to bet that it's going to go higher, have a little buy-in position, maybe short-term buy-in position. Not financial advice, just what I'm thinking. Ultimately, where might we see it go? Let's zoom out to this monthly chart. Monthly chart, I'm looking for a target of that target of the top of this channel, let's say right around 260, about the 260 area would be my target for this, right at this point, right around that 260 area. I think if we can consolidate where we're at and have a decent 260 or so, have a decent hidden divergence on this hourly chart. If we can consolidate where we're at, have a decent hidden divergence on this hourly chart, I think we could see it push through our all-time high and make new all-time highs. I don't see any reason why it can't. On our 4-hourly, let's zoom in on our 4-hourly real quick. We've got this ascending relative strength. We're sitting right on it right now. I would like to bring that relative strength just a little bit lower. We'll see how it goes. If this fails, if this 195 area fails, that 195 area fails, then I would suspect that we'll be back here at this 187 or so. And then I would be looking to see if this area was going to fail, to judge how much of a pullback we were actually going to have. This area here would be where I'd be looking at. This 169 area is what I'd be watching to see if we could bring the 4-hourly relative strength back down to the oversold area without breaking this 170, 169, 170 area. If we could do that, then that would be a buying sign to me. But we're on the 1-hourly chart right now is where we need to look, and that 1-hourly chart is that 195 area. And if we can bring the relative strength back into this oversold and or hit the bottom of our channel, whether through horizontal or just a simple retracement without breaking that. So those would be signs to me that we're going to move higher. But all in all, we're looking good. I mean, normally this isn't something that I would buy into, but we do have 1 month before the smart contracts come out. So normally this isn't something I would be putting my positions on. We've come back, we've hit our little support line right here. We could even just walk up this a little bit. We could see a couple days of it walking up, just doing some pumping action, flagging up and out. We could see something like that before a break, but again, I think that when we get that break, it'll probably end up being about that 260 area would be my target. 260, and if it was strong enough, I would be looking at 270, 280, just depending on that. But if we can consolidate here and then start moving up, I don't think this is going to be anything to break through. I think this is going to break through like butter, to be honest with you. If we can get some kind of consolidation this high up, if we can start consolidating here without having a big retracement back, then we're going to break this. So we're going to break this. We haven't even seen normally what you would see here is you would see a triangle form, right? You would normally see a triangle form. You have it come back right here, and then you come down, you go up, come down, then you would break out like that. That would be a strong market. That would be what you would see in a strong market. Well, if we can just kind of, let's get this off. Can we delete this? Well, I can't delete it. If we can just get some pumping going on right here and then go up, that would be a really good sign of strength. So, but normally I would expect for it to fall back to here and then a triangle form before we move up. Now, we'll see how it goes though. I'm keeping an eye on it, and this is something I'm watching. We got to consider Bitcoin as well. But so anyway, those are my thoughts on it. I would like to see this relative strength here come back from outer space, so on the daily chart. But anyway, that's it for today. Make sure you give me a like, a subscribe. If you watch the video all the way through, it helps out. Comment on the video. Again, a like, subscribe, all that stuff. So y'all are beautiful, and congratulations. All you ADA holders, congratulations. So I'll see you next time.